I've just come steaming around a corner into a herd of cows. So I've just gone through the Girt jungle while they've been using a road. Anyway, look at this horrible slippy slidey. Oh, both wheels locked up. You shouldn't have come down here, section. Oh, should have come down here under power, but I've decided to be awkward. Power. I don't know this section. Somebody struggled now in this section. Is that KLX? Is it any good? Hold on with a cable tight. Stay there then. Oi. I know this is going to end in wetness. I can feel it in my bones. Going. I don't like the look of that bit there. No, I don't. Not in the wet. But I've got a 301. I'll climb out of anything pretty much. Oh, that wet my nipples! Les nipples. Look at this. Oh, that's just great. Fall down. Right in front of me. That's it, go on. Get out of my way. Right, it's getting wetter. Do I want to get stuck? You have to ask these questions before you do them. Do I? It's a bit hard to get out now, isn't it, really? Oh God, what have I done? What have I done? Ow! Ow, went in my eye. Get you fucking cunt. Right in my fucking eye. I do believe I'm in a river section with a bloody bit of bamboo hanging out my eye. Whoa. Yeah. I've lost my faith in lost my faith in sandy riverbeds at the moment, because a few videos back I spent several hours stuck in one. It looked absolutely normal. It was just a total swamp fest. Oh, look at these. This is just terrible. Eye-ripping material. I'm a river then. Did I say I didn't want to get wet today? I did, didn't I? Oh, I can get through there. I'm just living on that poxy bamboo. come down, and the longer you hang around in sand, the faster you start sinking. So we need to make that history. One massive long section. Oh, I've got myself right in here. Right, exit, 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 yes. Thank you. Eyes. Biting me. Oh, it's everywhere. Eyes! God, Jesus, what's that? It's like someone's chucked acid on me. What the fuck is that? What the hell, man? So it's a lot easier for you lot if you are watching. It's a lot easier for you to sit back at home and watch. God, that hurt. It's still burning this fucking fire ants, isn't it? It must be. You little bastards, get off me! Ah! What the I can't get it off, whatever it is. It's moving all over me and burning. Yes, fire ants. I can see the fuckers now. You bastards! Ah! Ah, it's one on my nose! Mothers! Right, due to attack of the... Ah! Alright, that's it. That's it, enough. I just pulled my helmet off because I exploded it. But this is a cloth that I keep hanging off my backpack for wiping my glasses and stuff. Look, absolutely alive with them. They're still on me. Get off me, you! I can't believe something so small could burn. 1 hour later, they're still biting me now, the little mofos. I'm going to go to the hot spring and have a dip.